A new Chinese electric car company has entered the Irish market. The arrival of Xpeng comes as China's car makers increase pressure on their European and US rivals when it comes to technology and price.
China came along and thrust the future upon us now.
Newer version that's a fully flying car. They want this on the road by 2030, and they've already done tests.
Very few countries are doing what China seems to do today in the transportation industry. We are talking about AI automation, futuristic innovations, and sleek designs that are out of this world. China is constantly outdoing itself and silencing the competition. But you wouldn't believe what the country has next up its sleeves. When nobody expected it, China launched a next-generation transport system that shocked even Russia. What is this innovation about? How would it define the future? Join us as we explore the details. Ehang 266S. Let's talk about a revolutionary drone taxi created by none other than the Chinese firm Ehang. The Ehang 266S is an area wonder designed for short-medium distance flight. Created in response to urban mobility challenges, the Ehang 266S features 8 pairs of electric motors and can carry 2 passengers while navigating impossible routes. Its operations are eco-friendly and quiet, making it perfect for the city. That isn't all. The Ehang 266S is also fully autonomous, with its flight control system able to take off, navigate, and land without human intervention. There is no need to worry about safety, because the Ehang has top safety features. It can safely complete its journey and execute an emergency landing even when one of its rotors fails. Magnificently flying in the sky, an Ehang 266L can move at a maximum of 130 kilometers per hour while operating within the limit of 3,000 meters. Currently, it stands as one of China's fastest and most effective means of aerial travel in urban areas and its outskirts, displaying a foretaste of the future regarding aerial technology. BYD YangWang U8. In the SUV's realm, China has finally outdone itself. Let us introduce to you the BYD YangWang U8, which has become the first ever floating SUV in the whole world.
The YangWang U8, it is an insane, it looks epic. So, YangWang stands for something that you aspire towards. It's inspirational.
China is proud of this creation because the BYD YangWang U8 boasts a hydrologic system, allowing it to rise and lower by 150 millimeters while in action. As a result, the car is a strong force on the road. But there's more to the BYD YangWang U8. The BYD YangWang U8 also boasts a unique ability to carry out a tank turn. This means that it can make a 360-degree spin, showing other cars to the boss in a quick move. And let's talk about another giant benefit of the BYD YangWang U8. The BYD YangWang U8 has also outdone other SUV variants, with its ability to float in water up to 1 meter deep. It gets better as the off-road variant of the car can float in a depth of water up to 1.5 meters. This means there is nothing to worry about in emergencies like flooding. In such situations, the BYD YangWang U8 activates the emergency floating mode, making users comfortable amid chaos. With the emergency floating mode, the vehicle's engine is automatically shut down. After this, the windows are sealed, the air conditioner is turned on, and the sunroof is opened. During the emergency floating mode, the BYD YangWang U8 can stay buoyant for 30 minutes, moving at 3 kilometers per hour. This is only enough to provide time and speed to help users escape bad situations. So, despite this incredible ability, it's important to note that the BYD YangWang U8 is not designed for lake outings. This means that its emergency floating mode should only be activated in emergencies. Thus, after engaging in the emergency floating mode, the BYD YangWang U8 is said to require a service check once the suspension is retracted. Today, the BYD YangWang U8 stands as an innovative move of China, pushing the boundaries of what was believed to be possible for an SUV. Xpeng AeroHT. This is an electric vehicle and, simultaneously, a vertical takeoff and landing VTOL aircraft. How great is that? Created by Xpeng, the Xpeng AeroHT is a total game changer for urban aero transportation. Designed for urban air mobility, the Xpeng AeroHT utilizes advanced autonomous systems, effective propulsion technology, and a sleek aerodynamic design for both effectiveness and luxury. Safety remains the goal, with a bonus spice of fun and luxury. The Xpeng AeroHT is also designed for sustainability and convenience, eliminating problems like road traffic and allowing a long luxury experience. Talk about innovation, style, and efficiency in one aero package. US Sky Train in China. For lovers of railway transportation, China has finally changed the game by creating the US Sky Train in Wuhan. This train is a magnificent innovation that gives passengers a feel of flying even while on a train. While the Sky Train doesn't fly like a jet, it is suspended in the sky and operates on a monorail, which reaches an expanse of 110.5 kilometers. The incredible part is that the train is unmanned, efficiently moving at 60 kilometers per hour. With its formidable size, the Sky Train can accommodate up to 200 passengers, enabling many people to enjoy the heavenly experience simultaneously. So let's summarize. The US Sky Train is a train that carries out conventional train functions while elevated. Its magnificent monorail is even more impressive as it took just 7 months to construct. Intriguingly, this is the same time frame to construct the conventional standard train tracks. But here is why the US Sky Train is better than regular trains. It allows for fewer accidents, has increased capacity, and has a comparable cost. As you can guess, the US Sky Train is a blessing to urban transportation. Its elevation is a strong tool to overcome ground-level traffic, provide a quicker journey, and more space for infrastructure like parks and roadways. Shane. Remember the creator of the original hoverboard, Shane Chen? He has recently outdone himself by producing Shane, a futuristic two-wheeled electric car that has turned all heads. At first glance, the car looks too beautiful to be true, but it is. Despite its compact look, it is designed to harbor up to 5 passengers in a luxury cruise. There's more, though. The 2 wheels of the vehicle are not just for fun, but are created in a way that ensures that the vehicle is balanced as it accelerates. The car's design also enhances driving at a groundbreaking speed. For stability, the car can shift the center of gravity, helping it to counteract the forces generated during acceleration and braking. Thus, this car can be said to be even more safe than a 4-wheeled car. Intriguing, right? You know where to go if you want a new, more efficient luxury. NIO ET9. This is one of the most active electric vehicles shaking its way into liberty and dominance. The NIO ET9 is a unique electric car that is making China proud.
We brought you a look at this, the NIO ET9, a Chinese electric sedan with a starting price of $109,000 US.
When you encounter this car, one of its standout features that impresses you the most is its ability to shake off snow like a dog. This vehicle is definitely taking snow brushes out of the market.
Fresh insight from the biggest car market in the world. Today we're finally driving the NIO ET9 on public roads.
During a recent showcase, the NIO ET9 displayed its unique ability and hydrologic suspension by swaying from side to side. It debuted at the end of last year and has become a model for other electric cars, showcasing a dual-motor drivetrain that delivers up to 77 horsepower. The NIO ET9 also promises speedy, robust performance, with its engine stably tucked under its hood. The NIO ET9 also boasts a 120-kilowatt battery with an impressive range of up to 255 kilometers before requiring more charging. And oh, how it charges really fast in just 5 minutes. The NIO ET9 is sold for $110,000, making it affordable for those seeking a road gem. GAC Gove flying car. This intriguing creation comes from GAC, a Chinese automotive company. As the name implies, the Gove flying car is futuristic, dominating both the ground and the skies. This is the real-life model if you have ever imagined a flying car. The Gove flying car boasts a unique design that grabs attention almost instantly. It is designed with a single passenger capsule on a four-wheeled chassis. It has two sections. The lower section features the wheel platform, while the upper section is a detachable drone with 6 folding blades. How incredible, right? Well, that is not all. The Gove flying car is a supercar that can smoothly transition from driving to flying mode anytime. What's more, the car is fully autonomous and can take passengers to any destination via the cabin tablet interface. While navigating, the car can also locate nearby recharging stations when necessary, ensuring no downtime. On the road, the Gove flying car is a fully functional EV flying car and a monstrous drone on air. Now, if this doesn't impress you, what else? Wuling Hongguang Mini EV. Here, we come to one of China's best-selling electric vehicles, which is now making waves in the market.
It's actually this, the Wuling Hongguang Mini EV. Let's have a look.
The Wuling Hongguang is nothing like you've ever seen, boasting a compact design that surprises many. What's more surprising about the vehicle is that, despite its compact size, it can comfortably accommodate up to 4 passengers. That isn't all. Designed for urban commuters, the Wuling Hongguang Mini EV features great aesthetics that add more colors to city life. This car is indeed tiny, but mighty, as it boasts all the essential features that bigger cars are capable of. It is also built for high efficiency and speed, making it an excellent choice for many users. But nothing beats the affordability of this unique electric vehicle. Sold at a shocking price of just $4,500 US. Who says luxury can't be cheap? Jump Aero JA1. This unique piece is currently causing an earthquake in the realm of aviation. The JA1 is not just any regular aircraft designed to take emergency response and personal air travel to another level. Its sleek aesthetics will satisfy your eyes, but that isn't all. JA1 also features edge-cutting technologies, aiding supersonic speed and high efficiency. The aircraft boasts a futuristic electric propulsion system that allows for a smooth, quiet, and emissions-free journey every single time. The aircraft is equipped to traverse rugged urban and remote environments where traditional vehicles can't traverse. It features an intuitive control system as well as high-tech safety features. Imagine having a solid solution that allows you to navigate the skies in style. The JA1 is also user-friendly, giving users ease of navigation. Thus, when discussing personal aviation and emergency response, think of the JA1 as a big leap into the future. The GAC Barchetta concept. This electric sports vehicle has become a technological marvel currently making waves in the automotive industry. Picture a technology that boasts one of the sleekest designs, yet functions like a monster on the road. While being driven, the GAC Barchetta concept doesn't just navigate, but owns the road. The electric vehicle is a compact, advanced technology built for sustainability and high functionality. Users have also testified to its eco-friendliness, creating a strong connection between the driver and the environment. The electric vehicle is an innovation featuring a drivetrain with high performance. That isn't all. One reason why the GAC Barchetta concept stands out is its futuristic features. This includes a digital cockpit and an AI-driven system that makes operation easy. As you can clearly see, the GAC Barchetta concept is a bundle of luxury and functionality, sealed in for the pleasure of its drivers. Xiaomi Electric Scooter 4 Ultra. This is a high-performance electric scooter that is currently raising the standards for electric scooters. The Xiaomi Electric Scooter 4 Ultra is an electric power tank, boasting a robust 940-watt motor. This makes it a formidable force on the road. However, the Xiaomi Electric Scooter 4 Ultra is also known for its smooth and highly comfortable ride, with a range of up to 70 kilometers on a single charge. So how does this happen? Let's talk about the scooter's impressive features. The Xiaomi electric scooter 4 Ultra features a dual suspension system and 10-inch pneumatic tire, which makes it super efficient in absorbing bumps and vibration. Thus, with the Xiaomi electric scooter 4 Ultra, users can enjoy a comfortable and smooth ride even in rugged regions. The electric scooter has a robust frame and a sound braking system, ensuring safety amidst other high functions. The Xiaomi electric scooter 4 Ultra is an innovative combination of power, comfort, and safety in style. The rise of Xpeng Motors. It finally happened. The dream of flying cars, something we once thought only existed in science fiction movies, is now real. China has done it. They've introduced the world's first ever flying car, a functioning, groundbreaking reality, not just a wild concept.
This is definitely very exciting. This has been in the works for over 10 years. Actually, the predecessor of Hui-Tian is actually older than Xpeng itself.
I'll leave that to sink in for a moment because we're about to witness a huge shift in how we move, live, and think about transportation. This is not just another electric car or a flashy tech gadget. It's the first serious step toward a new way of life, and it's happening in China. Now, why does this even matter so much? Well, think about it. We've all been stuck in endless traffic, wasting hours in our cars, trapped in a system that hasn't changed much in decades. Roads are crowded, cities are growing, and we're spending more time than ever just getting from one place to another. But what if you could rise above all that? What if you could skip the road, take to the skies, and get to where you need to be without hassle? That's what China's flying car promises, and it's set to change everything. But who's behind this revolutionary leap? Before we reveal the incredible flying car, let's delve into the story of Xpeng Motors and discover how they've brought the Xpeng X2 to life. Xpeng Motors is a company making waves in the world of transportation.
This is the X2, a battery-powered aircraft known as an eVTOL, which can take off and land vertically.
Known for its cutting-edge electric vehicles and innovative technology, Xpeng Motors leads the charge toward a cleaner, smarter future. One of Xpeng Motors' key strengths is its focus on technology. The company is known for incorporating cutting-edge technology into its vehicles, making them stand out in the competitive electric vehicle market. Xpeng Motors was co-founded in 2014 Guangzhou, China, by He Xiaopeng, a former senior executive at Alibaba, and Ehang, a former senior executive at GAC Group, alongside other tech entrepreneurs. The company started with a clear vision: to create smart electric vehicles that would be environmentally friendly and packed with the latest technology. The founders of Xpeng Motors had a background in technology and business, giving them a unique perspective on revolutionizing the automotive industry. They wanted to combine their knowledge of tech with their passion for cars to build innovative and practical vehicles. And now, their leadership has steered Xpeng Motors to become a global player in the electric vehicle market, and now, in the flying car sector. This forward-thinking approach is not just about making cars, it's about creating a new way to travel. Xpeng's leaders constantly push the boundaries, explore new technologies, and challenge the status quo to offer groundbreaking products like the Xpeng X2. You may not know, but from its inception, Xpeng Motors focused on developing electric vehicles that could compete with traditional gasoline-powered cars. The company aimed to make electric vehicles more appealing to a broader audience.
Technology combined with mobility in auto is where we think the future is going to be.
By offering advanced features, high performance, and stylish designs. One of the main reasons Xpeng Motors stands out is its commitment to cutting-edge technology. The company invests heavily in research and development to ensure its vehicles are at the forefront of innovation. So in 2018, they introduced their first model, the Xpeng G3, an electric SUV. The G3 was designed to be a smart, connected vehicle with features like a large touchscreen interface, advanced driver assistance systems, and over-the-air software updates. It was a significant step towards proving that electric vehicles could be practical and exciting. However, as Xpeng Motors gained traction, the company expanded its product lineup. It began to build a strong reputation in the electric vehicle market. They introduced the Xpeng P7, a sleek electric sedan, further cementing their position as a leader in the EV industry. Xpeng vehicles are equipped with advanced technology features such as autonomous driving capabilities, smart navigation systems, and large digital displays.
The most interesting thing about this car, of course, is the NGP function, the autonomous driving function.
The company's cars are designed to provide a seamless and intuitive driving experience, with features that enhance safety and convenience. Unarguably, Xpeng Motors is a pioneer in autonomous driving technology. Their vehicles have advanced driver assistance systems with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These systems use a combination of cameras, sensors, and AI to help drivers navigate safely and confidently. Also, Xpeng's vehicles can receive over-the-air updates, allowing the company to continuously improve the car's software without requiring a visit to a dealership. This means that Xpeng owners can benefit from new features and improvements even after they've purchased their vehicle. As Xpeng Motors grew, the company expanded its presence beyond China and began to make a mark on the global stage. It is no news that Xpeng Motors has started to enter international markets, including Europe and the United States. The company's expansion into these regions demonstrates its ambition to become a global player in the electric vehicle industry.
You need to have competitive products that customer desires. So that's why we're introducing the P7 and G9, which we believe are very competitive products in Europe. We also have plans to roll out our next generation product, G6, probably sometimes next year, to European customers.
In 2020, Xpeng Motors debuted in the European market by introducing the Xpeng G3 SUV in Norway. The company has since been working to expand its presence in other European countries, bringing its innovative electric vehicles to a broader audience. But as if that is not enough, Xpeng Motors is also eyeing the US market, with plans to introduce its vehicles to American consumers. However, the company's entry into the US market represents a significant step towards achieving its global ambitions. But now, the one you've been waiting for. In addition to its electric vehicles, Xpeng Motors has ventured into the world of flying cars through its subsidiary, Xpeng AeroHT. This division focuses on developing airborne technology and has created the Xpeng X2, a groundbreaking flying car. According to them, the goal is to create a vehicle that combines the convenience of a car with the freedom of flight. So, with the Xpeng X2, Xpeng AeroHT takes this commitment to a new level. The X2's VTOL technology and autonomous flying systems represent a significant leap forward in personal mobility. By integrating advanced aerodynamics, electric propulsion, and autonomous navigation, Xpeng AeroHT sets a standard in the flying car industry.
This is Xpeng's affiliate, which is Xpeng AeroHT, and this is literally a flying car.
As Xpeng Motors looks to the future, the company is focused on continuing its path of innovation and growth. With its commitment to technology, sustainability, and global expansion, Xpeng is well positioned to play a major role in shaping the future of transportation. By collaborating with technology firms, research institutions, and industry experts, Xpeng can stay at the cutting edge of innovation. This network of partnerships supports the development of new technologies, including those used in the Xpeng X2. But what exactly is this new flying car called Xpeng X2, and how does it work? Let's explain exactly how this flying car works, and why it will change everything we know about getting from place to place. The flying car era. The Xpeng X2 is a sleek, cutting-edge vehicle that combines the convenience of a car with the freedom of flight. Think of a car that not only drives like any other, but can also take off vertically, glide through the air, and avoid all the congestion below. That's exactly what the Xpeng X2 offers. Now, this isn't just a concept or a prototype, it's a fully functional flying car that's making waves across the globe. Developed by Xpeng AeroHT, a subsidiary of Xpeng Motors, the Xpeng X2 represents a major leap forward in both automotive and aviation technology. The X2 measures 5,172 mm in length, 5,124 mm in width, and 1,362 mm in height, with a curb weight of 680 kilograms and a maximum payload of 160 kilograms. It is said to be more of a drone-type vehicle than a car. With its compact design and advanced capabilities, the Xpeng X2 is not just an exciting innovation, but a glimpse into the future of personal transportation. At its core, the Xpeng X2 is designed to be a versatile vehicle. It functions like a sleek, high-tech car when you're on the ground. It's built to easily navigate city streets and highways like any conventional vehicle.
It's very good that Xpeng also has chosen to go for zero-emission mobility, so we need to rethink all ways from transport, and this is definitely one of the options that we can see.
Its wheels are designed to handle different road conditions, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride. But here's where things get truly exciting. When you're ready to take to the skies, the Xpeng X2 transforms into a flying machine. With the push of a button or through its advanced control system, the car's rotors or propellers extend, and it lifts off vertically. This means you don't need a runway or a large open space to start flying. The car can hover, soar, and glide above traffic, making your commute faster and more efficient. This dual ability is what sets the Xpeng X2 apart from other vehicles. It's not just a car with some flying capabilities. It's a fully functional vehicle that can seamlessly switch between driving and flying modes. This flexibility is key to making flying cars a practical option for everyday use. But that's not all. In fact, we're just getting started. One of the most impressive features of the Xpeng X2 is its vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL technology. Unlike traditional aircraft, which require long runways for takeoff and landing, the Xpeng X2 can lift off and touch down vertically. This is achieved through its innovative rotor design and advanced engineering. You may wonder how this works. When you're ready to fly, the Xpeng X2's rotors extend from its body. These rotors generate lift, allowing the car to rise straight into the air. This vertical takeoff means you can leave from practically anywhere, be it a crowded urban street or a small parking lot.
The model is intended for short trips within a city area, and the company says it does not emit any carbon dioxide during flight.
The same technology allows it to land as easily, making it incredibly versatile and convenient. The VTOL feature eliminates the need for large, dedicated landing strips or runways, making urban flying feasible. It also adds flexibility and convenience that traditional aircraft can't match. Thanks to this groundbreaking technology, you can navigate dense cityscapes and avoid traffic jams by taking to the sky. Another standout feature of the Xpeng X2 is its autonomous flying technology. This advanced system makes flying the car as easy as driving it on the road. You don't need to be a skilled pilot to operate the Xpeng X2. The car's autonomous systems handle the complexities of flying. This is possible because the Xpeng X2 is equipped with sophisticated sensors, GPS systems, and artificial intelligence that work together to manage flight. These systems constantly monitor the environment, calculate the best flight paths, and adjust the car's real-time movements. The AI can navigate obstacles, avoid other flying vehicles, and ensure a smooth flight. Interestingly, autonomous flying technology also includes collision avoidance features. The car's sensors detect potential hazards and automatically adjust its flight path to avoid them. This means the Xpeng X2 can fly safely and efficiently, even in busy or complex environments. This technology provides a stress-free experience for the driver, allowing you to enjoy the view while the car takes care of the flying. What's more, the Xpeng X2 is powered by an electric propulsion system, which is a major factor in its performance and environmental benefits. This system includes electric motors that drive both the wheels and the rotors. The car's highly efficient electric motors provide smooth and quiet operation, whether the Xpeng X2 is driving or flying. These motors are powered by advanced batteries that offer a good range for driving and flying.
You can see it's very spacious. It holds 2 people comfortably. Here's the joystick. There's a simple joystick for directional control and an up-down button just for changing altitude. So essentially, if you can fly a drone with 2 thumbs, you can fly this.
Using electric power reduces the need for fossil fuels, making the Xpeng X2 a more sustainable option for transportation. Because it runs on electricity, the Xpeng X2 produces 0 emissions during operation. You would agree that this is a significant advantage over traditional gas-powered vehicles and aircraft, contributing to air pollution. The Xpeng X2's electric propulsion system supports efforts to reduce carbon footprints and promote cleaner, greener transportation. Also, You can always trust your journey to be smooth and seamless because inside the Xpeng X2, you'll find a high-tech, user-friendly interior designed to make every journey enjoyable. The car is equipped with state-of-the-art displays that provide real-time information about the vehicle's status, including speed, altitude, and navigation. These displays keep you informed and in control, whether driving or flying. The interior is designed for comfort, with plush seating and an intuitive control system. The cockpit is designed to be both functional and stylish, making the Xpeng X2 a pleasure to drive and fly. What makes this super interesting is that the Xpeng X2 is built using innovative materials that enhance its performance and durability. So, the car's structure is made from lightweight, high-strength materials that reduce weight without compromising strength. This is crucial for efficient flight and smooth driving. The materials used are also designed to withstand the stresses of flying and driving, ensuring the Xpeng X2 is durable and reliable. By now, I'm sure you must be dreaming of seeing yourself in this high-tech revolutionary car. And you can't agree less that the Xpeng X2 represents a significant step toward the future of transportation. Its combination of driving and flying capabilities, advanced technology, and environmental benefits positions it as a leading example of what's possible in personal mobility. So, when can we expect this groundbreaking vehicle to hit the market, and what steps is Xpeng taking to make it a reality, so that you can at least stop dreaming and experience the fun in reality? The roadmap to reality. It is no news that the Xpeng X2 has generated immense excitement since its announcement, with many people eagerly anticipating its arrival. While a specific launch date for the general public has yet to be set in stone, Xpeng Motors has provided some insights into the expected timeline and their plans to bring the X2 to market.
Vice Chairman and President of Xpeng stated, Xpeng X2's public display in Dubai represents a significant milestone for the Xpeng AeroHT and the international achievement of flying cars.
However, Xpeng AeroHT has been working on the Xpeng X2 for several years, focusing on developing and refining the technology needed for a functional flying car. Initial prototypes have been tested extensively to meet safety and performance standards. These tests are crucial for addressing technical challenges and ensuring the vehicle can perform reliably in both driving and flying modes. However, obtaining regulatory approvals is one of the biggest hurdles in bringing the Xpeng X2 to market. Flying cars must meet aviation and transportation authorities' rigorous safety and operational standards. Xpeng AeroHT is working with regulators to ensure the X2 complies with all necessary regulations. This process involves detailed assessments, certifications, and approvals, which can take time but are essential for ensuring the vehicle's safety and legality. However, there is good news. Xpeng Motors has hinted at the possibility of launching pilot programs and accepting pre-orders before the full public release. These programs allow a select group of customers to experience the Xpeng X2 firsthand and provide valuable feedback. By involving early adopters, Xpeng can make final adjustments and improvements based on real-world usage and ensure that the vehicle meets customer expectations. So, while Xpeng Motors has yet to provide a specific release date, industry experts speculate that the Xpeng X2 could become available to the public sooner than we expected. The exact timing will depend on the completion of regulatory processes, successful pilot programs, and the readiness of production facilities. Xpeng is committed to ensuring that the X2 is thoroughly tested and ready for safe, everyday use before it becomes widely available. However, you can tell that the Xpeng X2 represents a major leap forward in personal transportation, and the excitement surrounding its development is palpable. The prospect of a vehicle that can seamlessly transition between driving and flying is capturing the imagination of people worldwide.
Well, I think I saw a tremendous opportunity. I think EV plus autonomous driving and smart, intelligent, connected vehicles and the impact to mobility is a huge trend, and I think it's happening right now in China.
But what if I tell you that the Xpeng X2 isn't the first time we've seen attempts to create a flying car? While it stands out with its cutting-edge design and technology, the idea of flying cars has a long and fascinating history. Past innovators and dreamers have taken bold steps to make this vision a reality, each with unique approaches and challenges. Let's journey back in time to explore these pioneering efforts and see how they laid the groundwork for the incredible advancements we're witnessing today with the Xpeng X2. The idea of flying cars has long captured the human imagination. From the futuristic visions in science fiction to real-world prototypes, many have dreamed of combining the freedom of flight with the practicality of driving. While the Xpeng X2 is the latest and most advanced attempt to bring this vision to life, it follows a trail of earlier efforts by bold inventors and companies. In the mid-20th century, Moulton Taylor was a visionary who dared to dream about the future of transportation. His creation, the Aero car, represents one of the earliest serious attempts to combine driving and flying in a single vehicle. The idea of a vehicle that could drive on roads and fly in the air was bold and ambitious, even for its time. An American inventor, Moulton Taylor, saw this concept as a flight of fancy and a practical solution to everyday transportation problems. What do you think about China's recent innovation? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and remember to like, share, and subscribe for more.